Ata Maori e wānau, whānau, hānau, however it is you want to say it, from whichever region you are from. So you're at work with me again. Come for a ride, up and down, all over the place. Okay, so today's kupu, or today's place name, is a little place where apparently there's some good-looking women, or these hot-looking women that make beer. And make the beer look like it tastes really good. Okay, so yeah, that doesn't actually happen, but there's a brewery down there. It's called, this place is called Mangatainoka. Mangatainoka, alright? It's not Mangatainoka, as they keep saying on those ads. Brewed in Mangatainoka. Yeah, it's Mangatainoka. Alright, so we're just going to get straight into it and go through the pronunciation. Ooh, watch out, don't want to be dropping that pellet on the other side. Yep. Okay, so repeat after me. Ma, nga, tai, no, ka. Ma, nga, tai, no, ka. Alright, so that first part, ma, there's nothing really hard in this actual place name. It's just actually pronouncing it properly. So the first part, ma, if you know how to say ma, as in ma is white, then you've already got the first part down pat. Okay, the next part, nga. Now, like I said, if you don't know how to pronounce the ng, okay, if you know how to say the word singing, sing, okay, that's how you say it. But in this particular instance, the nga, ma, nga. So if you know how to say, oh, yep, yeah, the word sing, ng, sung, singing. Okay, so nga. The next part, tie, just like tying your shoelace. Morning, bro. So if you know how to say tie, as in tie your shoelace up, that's how you say it, pronounce the tie. Okay, and the no. So if you know how to say, bro, you from up north? Okay. So the first part of north, so you say the no. So you just take all the rest of it, the north off, and you've got no. Okay. Yeah, so take the earth off the north, and you've got no. And the ka, obviously, ka. Eureka. There you go, eureka. Take that ka and the eureka. Okay, and that's how you pronounce ma, nga, tai, no, ka. Alright, ma, nga, tai, no, ka. The beer's alright too, it's not too bad. Yeah, so ma, nga, tai, no, ka. Sure.